How's it going, guys? Welcome back to my another video. So in today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to sublimate square shade MDF coaster 2.0 by printing machine GSAO3. What is this 2.0? Because we have updated it. The protective film has been removed before it came out. And then just let me introduce these things on table one by one. They all are indispensable during the whole process. First, Teflon sheet, which for getting away from something dirty. Then printing machine GSAO3 and coaster, printing image. So lovely, right? Then high heat resistant tape. Okay, before we started, you gotta know the printing parameters. So the temperature right here is 180 degrees Celsius and time is 60 seconds. And right here we recommend you medium pressures. Okay, let's get it. First of all, just put the printing image on the middle of the coaster. And then use some high heat resistant tapes. Okay, put it on lower platinum. And remember to cover with Teflon sheet. Here we go. Okay guys, time's up. Let's check out the final result.